The ECVISION Nano Ionic Facial Steamer can moisturize skin and deeply cleanse pores. The facial atomizer takes Personal Sauna SPA quality skin care with high-quality facial hydration system. The hot mist facial steamer takes the advanced PTC ceramic heating element to vaporize clean water and produce a visibly strong steam instantly. Ample and directed microfine steams penetrate deeply into all your skin layers. Nano steam combined with ionic water particles can be up to 10x more effective in penetrating skin. Blackhead Remover Kit cleaner and more hygienic way than your fingers to treatment for blemishes, acne, blackheads, whiteheads, comedones, and pimples. Tackle all sorts of clogged pores on your face, back, and chest with this 5-in-1 Blackhead Remover Kit. 5 differently sized bottlenecks. Needles will help you extract all kinds and sizes of facial flaws with the appropriate tool for a clearer face. Larger water reservoir for up to 12 minutes of steaming time. Compare that to other steamers with only 8 minutes. Precision control knob to easily set your desired humidity. Convenient for Personal Sauna SPA. Step 1. Place the main unit on a flat surface. Step 2. Fill the water supply tank with water. Step 3. Insert the water supply tank to the facial steamer. Step 4. Plug in the plug into the power outlet. Step 5. Push up the power switch to turn on the facial steamer. Step 6. Direct the steam to your face. Steam temperature and distance. The steam temperature is approximate 104 degrees F. The distance between the steamer and face should be 7 to 8 inches when steaming. A full tank of water can be steamed for about 12 minutes. Package includes 1 facial steamer, 1 user manual, 1 * useful Blackhead Tools Kit, NANO-ATOMIZATION TECHNOLY. Powerful spa home nano ionic steam can more easily penetrate the skin barrier. Generates hot steam in seconds, easily absorbed through skin, and moisturize skin more quickly. Blackhead Remover Tool Kit. 5 differently sized blackhead extractor loops and needles effectively help you handle comedone, pimples, and acne of different sizes and types. PTC Ceramic Heating Element. Producing a visibly strong steam instantly. Tiny nano ionic steam penetrates skin and supplement moisture effectively, improving skin nutritional absorbency. A large 70 ml water tank allows for 12 minutes of working time with a completely silent operation, long running time. UV light. Inside UV light sterilizes steam so that it can reach your skin with purest, most effective condition. High-tech ozone function is provided to sterilize. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available. This product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.